This is Linda Bell. She makes art that is shiny, crinkly, round, and looping. And once she's made it, she likes to make it move in different ways. Today, we're going to make artworks that move, inspired by Linda Bell. Our artwork can be sturdy, or it can be stretchy. To make a sturdy hoop, you can use colourful card or recycled card like a cereal box, newspaper, foil or recycled metallic packaging like crisp packets, a pair of scissors, a stapler, colourful tape or masking tape, plastic gift ribbon and colourful ribbon, and recycled netting like fruit netting. First, roll 2 sheets of newspaper into a strip. Then twist your strip to make a hoop. Staple the ends and make sure to ask an adult for help. This is our hoop. Next, let's cover the hoop with our colourful tape. You could also use masking tape. Round and round. Now, we can wrap our plastic ribbon round and round the hoop. Tape in the ends to secure. We can stick our colourful tape onto the card and cut this into strips. You can also use pens and pencils to decorate your strips. We can loop these strips around our hoop and staple to secure. What else shall we loop around our hoop? Metallic packaging, ribbon, and fruit netting. Here's our finished hoop. What do you think? We can also make a stretchy hoop. This mini version is inspired by the big hoops Linda likes to swing between 2 people. For this, we can use tights instead of newspaper. First, cut the tights. Make a circle, then knot the ends together. This is our stretchy hoop. Next, we can loop around our materials just like before. Here's our finished stretchy artwork. Now let's see how our art can move. Can you twirl it? Can you pass it to someone else? Can you drop it? Can you hang it up? Can you shake it? Can you spin it round and round? How does it feel? How else could you make your art move? Art doesn't have to stay still. Move with your art and see how it feels. Try it yourself and see what you can do.